Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are well and living safe life at your home. Now today we will discuss about what is the meaning of proportion. The definition of proportion is if two ratios are equal, then we say that they are in proportion. If two ratios are equal, then we say that they are in proportion. And use the symbol. There are four dot means the given four numbers are in proportion or equal to equate the two ratios. Okay, my dear student, now we will discuss about some problems. All these problems depend on the proportion and depend on the exercise. It will be very clear to you. Your first question is determine if the followings are in proportion. Determine if the following are in proportion. In this question there are four numbers 15, 45, 40 and 120. In this question we will find out the given four numbers are in proportion. So what we will do? According to definition of proportions, if two ratios are equal, then we say that they are in proportion. If two ratios are equal, then we say that they are in proportion. Okay, now this is first number, 15 is first number, 45 is second number, 40 is third number, 120 is fourth number. Okay, now we will discuss about first the ratio of first two number. Okay, now we will discuss about the ratio of first two number. 15 is first number, 45 is second number. The ratio of 15 is to 45 is equal to 15 upon 45. Now 15 upon 45, these two number cancel by 15. 15 1 ja 15, 15 3 ja 45. This is 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 we can write here 1 is to 3. Okay, again we can find out the ratio of next two number, that is third number and fourth number. The meaning is first we find out the ratio of first and second number, then after we will find out the ratio of third and fourth number. In this question third number is 40 and fourth number is 120. So the ratio of third and fourth number will be 40 is to 120 is equal to 40 upon 120. Now it will be cancelled by 0 to 0 cancel, 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. It will give to you 1 upon 3 is equal to 1 is to 3. Now in this question, as you are looking, the ratio of first two number is 1 is to 3 and the ratio of third and fourth number is 1 is to 3. Okay, so now what you are looking, the ratio of first and second number and third and fourth numbers are also same. So what will you write? Since 15 is to 45 is equal to 40 is to 120, therefore 15, 45, 40 and 120 are in proportion. Okay, now my dear student, your next question is 33, 121, 9 and 96. There are four numbers. For these four numbers we will apply the same procedure. First we find out the ratio of first and second number, that is 33 is to 121. 33 is to 121 is equal to 33 upon 121. 33 and 121, it will be cancelled by 11. It will be cancelled by the same number 11. 11 3 ja 33 and 121 divided by 11. 121 divided by 11 you will get 11. So it will give to you 3 upon 11 is equal to 3:11. Okay. Now this is the ratio of first and second number. Now we will find out the ratio of third and fourth number. Third number is 9, fourth number is 96. So the ratio of third and fourth number will be 9 upon 96. It will be cancelled by the same number 3. 9 upon 3, it will give to you 3. 96 divided by 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6. It will give to you 3 upon 32 is equal to 3:32. So my dear student, as you are looking in this question, the ratio of first and second number is 3:11, and the ratio of third and fourth number is 3:32. These two ratios are not equal. These two ratios are not equal. Therefore 33, 121, 9 and 96 are not in proportion. Okay. Again we will apply this one more question. There are four numbers 24, 28, 36, 48. In these questions, first we find out the ratio of first and second number. First number is 24, second number is 28. So the ratio of first and second number will be 24:28. It will give to you 24 upon 28. 24 and 28, it will be cancelled by the same number 4. 24 divided by 4, it will give to you 6, and 28 divided by 4, it will give to you 7. 4 6 is 24, 4 7 is 28. It will give to you 6 upon 7 is equal to 6:7. Okay. Now again we will find out the ratio of third and fourth number. Third number is 36, fourth number is 48. The ratio of third and fourth number will be 36:48 is equal to 36 upon 48. 36 and 48, it will be cancelled by same number, that is 12. 12 3 is 36, 12 4 is 48. It will give to you 3 upon 4 is equal to 3:4. My dear student, as you are looking after the calculation, the ratio of first and second number is 6:7, and the ratio of third and fourth number is 3:4. So in this solution 6:7, 6:7 and 3:4, these two ratios are not equal. 6:7 and 3:4, these two ratios are not equal. These two ratios are not equal. Therefore 24, 28, 36, 48 are not in proportion. Okay. Now you have one more question. There are four numbers 32, 48, 70 and 210. For this question we will apply the same procedure. First we find out the ratio of first and second number, that is 32 and 48. The ratio of 32 and 48 will be 32:48 is equal to 32 upon 48. 32 upon 48, it will be cancelled by 16. 16 2 is 32, 16 3 is 48. 16 2 is 32, 16 3 is 48. It will give to you 2 upon 3 is equal to 2:3 is equal to 2:3. And now we will find out the ratio of 70 and 210, that is third and fourth number. 70:210 is equal to 70 upon 210. 0 cancel by 0, 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21. It will give to you 1 upon 3 is equal to 1:3. my dear student, as you are looking the ratio of first and second number is 2:3, and the ratio of third and fourth number is 1:3. These two ratios are not equal. Therefore 32, 48, 70, 210 are not in proportion. Okay, again we will discuss about some other problem, that is 4, 6, 8, 12. In this question we will find out the ratio of first and second number, that is 4:6. 4:6 means 4 upon 6. 4 and 6, it will be cancellation by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. It will give to you 2 upon 3 is equal to 2:3. Okay, now the ratio of third and fourth number, that is 8 and 12 is equal to 8:12 is equal to 8 upon 12. 8 and 12, it will be cancelled by 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. It will give to you 2 upon 3 is equal to 2:3. As you are looking, the ratio of first and second number is 2:3, and the ratio of third and fourth number is 2:3. Okay, these two ratios are equal. Therefore 4:6 is equal to 8:12. 4:6 is equal to 8:12. Therefore 4, 6, 8, 12 are in proportion. Okay, now again you have one more question, 33, 44, 75, 100. We will find out the given four numbers are in proportion or not. So what we will do, we will find out the ratio of first and second number. First number is 33, second number is 44. The ratio of first and second number will be 33:44 is equal to 33 upon 44. 33 and 44, it will be cancelled by 11. 11 3s are 33, 11 4s are 44. 11 3s are 33, 11 4s are 44. It will give to you 3 upon 4 is equal to 3:4 is equal to 3:4. Okay, now third and fourth number is third number is 75, fourth number is 100. The ratio of third and fourth number will be 75:100 is equal to 75 upon 100. 75 and 100, it will be cancelled by 25. 25 3s are 75, 25 4s are 100 is equal to 3 upon 4 is equal to 3:4. The meaning is the ratio of first and second number is 3:4, and the ratio of third and fourth number is 3:4. Since the ratio of first and second number is 3:4 and the ratio of third and fourth number is 3:4, therefore 33, 44, 75, 100 are in proportion. Therefore 33, 44, 75, 100 are in proportion. Okay, again my dear student, we will discuss about some other type of problems. This is question number 3. Are the following statement true? There are some numerical statement. Now after the calculation we will find out the given statements are true or false. Third A, 40% is equal 40% is to 200%. 40% is to 200% is equal to rupees 15 is to 75. In this question we will find out the ratio of 40% is to 200%. So 40% is to 200% is equal to 40 upon 200. 0 to 0 cancel. 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. It will give to you 1 upon 5 is equal to 1 is to 5. Okay, 1 is to 5 is the simplest ratio of 40% is to 200%. Okay, now again we will find out the ratio of rupees 15 is to rupees 75. So it will give you 15 upon 75. 15 1 ja 15, 15 5 ja 75, 15 1 ja 15, 15 5 ja 75. It will give to you 1 upon 5 is equal to 1 is to 5. So my dear student, as you are looking, the ratio of 40% is to 200% is 1 is to 5, and the ratio of rupees 15 is to rupees 75 is 1 is to 5. These two ratios are equal, therefore the statement is true. The statement is true. Okay, now you have one more question. 7.5 liter is to 15 liter is equal to 5 kg is to 10 kg. Now we will discuss about what is the ratio of 7.5 liter is to 15 liter. So it will give to you 7.5 liter is to 15 liter. 7.5 upon 15. Okay, you know very well this is decimal point. Decimal point removed by 1. Decimal point removed by 1. After decimal point 1 digit, so there should be 1 0. Okay, so this whole number we will written as 75 upon 15 into 10. 75 upon 15 into 10. Okay, now we will cancel. 15 1 ja 15, 15 1 ja 15 1 ja 15, 15 5 ja 75. The meaning is 75 and 15, it will be cancelled by 5. It will be cancelled by 15. 15 1 ja 15, 15 1 ja 15, 15 5 ja 75. Again this is 5 and this is 10. 5 and 10 cancellation by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. It will give to you 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 is to 2 is equal to 1 is to 2. Okay, again we will find out the ratio of 5 kg. Kg means kilogram. 5 kg is to 10 kg. It will give to you 5 upon 10. 5 upon 10 means 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. It will give to you 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 is to 2. As you are looking, the ratio of 7.5 liter is to 15 liter is 1 is to 2, and the ratio of 5 kg is to 10 kg is 1 is to 2. The ratio of 5 kg is to 10 kg is 1 is to 2. So these two ratio are equal. These two ratio are equal. Therefore the statement is true. The given statement is true. Okay, my dear students, all these questions depend on your book. From exercise depend on the proportion. I hope that it will be very useful to you for your knowledge and benefit for upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.